Upgrading or replacing a recessed ceiling LED light with spring holders may seem tricky, but it's actually simple once you know the steps. I will show you how to safely and effectively replace your light. First and foremost, safety is key. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker and test the switch to ensure the light is off. Using a stable ladder, reach the light fixture. These types of LED lights are typically held in place by two spring-loaded clips on the sides. Gently pull the light down from the ceiling, and as it comes loose, you'll feel the tension of the spring clips. To release the clips, press one side of the light fixture slightly toward the ceiling. This will loosen the spring clip, allowing it to fold inward and detach from the ceiling hole. Do the same for the other side. Keep the fixture steady to avoid damage to the drywall. Disconnect the wires one at a time, starting with the ground wire, green or bare, then the neutral, white, and finally the live wire, black. With the light removed, you might notice that this particular LED light has only two wires, live and neutral, and does not require an earth wire connection. Here's a handy trick to make the process easier. Use the earth wire from the ceiling to temporarily hang the light fixture while you connect the wires. This keeps your hands free for the connection work. Start by securely looping the earth wire around a stable part of the light, such as the spring clip or housing. This will hold the light in place while you work. Now, connect the live wire from the ceiling to the live wire on the light and securing them with a wire nut or push connector. Repeat the same for the neutral wire. Ensure the connections are firm and insulated to avoid any loose ends. Once you've securely connected the live and neutral wires to the light, it's a good idea to test the connection before installing the light back into the ceiling. Turn on the switch to confirm the light works as expected. If the light doesn't turn on, double-check the wire connections to ensure they're secure and properly matched. Once you've verified that the light is functioning correctly, turn off the switch and proceed to the next step. Align the spring clips with the ceiling hole. Gently press one side of the spring clip inward and guide it into the hole. Repeat for the other side. Once both clips are inside, push the fixture flush against the ceiling. The spring tension will secure the light firmly in place. Tuck the wires neatly back into the ceiling or junction box, being careful not to strain the connections or pinch the wires. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to replace your recessed ceiling LED light with spring holders.